guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to explain a bit more when we're actually in Wales, but all I can say is that we're going to Wales, and you probably know by the title and thumbnail what we're going to do, but I'll explain that all later, so I'll see you in Wales. Yo, so we're now here at the hotel. The pretty nice view over there. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be climbing Penny Fan tomorrow. We're going to be waking up quite early for that tomorrow. And yeah, and climbing, that's the biggest mountain in South Wales. Yeah, so I don't know what I'll do right now. I might pick it up again tomorrow after I've gone to sleep. And yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Next day.
We're currently walking up Penny Fan right now. It's very busy actually, but the car park's like all the way down there. And yeah, it's surprisingly warm today, which is kind of annoying because it's really hot. We've got to walk up. You can't see it, but it's up there. Yeah, I'll do some B-roll of it now because I can't really speak at the moment. I'm exhausted. Right, enjoy this B-roll. We have made it to the top of Penny Fan right now. Taking some sick photos, and I hope you enjoyed this drone footage as well. It's so sick up there. Yo, I forgot to end the video when we were up there, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll be sure to leave a like and comment and what you thought about it. So yeah, and if you did enjoy, make sure to subscribe. It means a lot. And yeah, I'm just been sat here editing it. It's pretty sick. So yeah, I'll see you next week. Peace.